Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, this is going to be a short video, but you need to watch it all the way through. I promise you're going to want this, because you're going to ask yourself, do you want $15 plus for free? No catches, no scams. This is legit. Okay, right now Upside is offering $15 cash in your pocket when you sign up and make your first purchase. Now that purchase can be almost anything, such as gas or going out to eat, or from many grocery stores across the nation. Now, or purchase any one of the thousands of items you're gonna wanna purchase that week anyways. So when you make your first transaction at the over 100,000 participating locations nationwide to get the cash, simply use my promo link in the description. I'll put it into the comments area too. I'll just pin it to the top. And you're gonna use that when you go ahead and sign up. This is gonna get you your $15, which is cool because I get $15. It's getting better, I promise. Hey, and please keep watching. And don't think you know it all and switch away. Trust me, just watch the rest of this very short video. You'll be glad you did. Now, to get started, download the Upside app using my promo link mentioned earlier and create an account. Then link your credit card or debit card to the app. Now you're only going to give them a few of the numbers, so don't worry about that. And I have a whole video on how to use this, so look for that too. Now once your card is linked, you're ready to start earning some cash. When you want to make a purchase at a participating store, open up the Upside app and choose that store location, then just claim it. Now, I did say you can make $15 cash plus free, right? Pay close attention to what I'm going to tell you. Once you sign up through my link and you make your first purchase, your initial $15 gets loaded into your account automatically. You can use this money for anything. You can redeem it for cash, for gift cards, PayPal cash, or just have it direct deposited right into your bank. That's what I do. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Now, you can use your referral link, sign up your spouse or partner, what have you, and you both get another $15 each. Bam. Okay, next, sign your kids up, your grandparents, or should I say there is no limit to how many accounts you may have. Say you have 5 phones and sign up with 5 more Upside apps. That's an additional $75 right there. Not to mention the savings on gas purchases. Okay, my first gas purchase with this card, I saved 63 cents off a gallon. And I regularly, I can't remember a time where I got less than 20 to 25 cents a gallon off. And that's just the bonus on this. Does it get better? Yes, it does get better. For anyone who signs up with my link in the description and so forth, I will let you post your referral code in comments so others can join in too. We can make this a big community thing. Now you gotta remember, and we get thousands of views, so that's a bonus. Now once the $15 promo is over, and you will earn even more from everyone that uses your referral code to sign up. You have a downline. Say your downline purchases 100 gallons of gas. You still get a bonus for their purchases. Heck, I let mine ride and I cash out every month and take the wife out and have a really nice dinner and have money left over. Now you can make as much or as little as you want, but you better hurry. You need to get it in on time before the promotion is pulled. But keep building up your downline. So that's it. That's how you use the Upside app to get $15 plus a lot more. Now they have a saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. So it's up to you now. Let's make this a success.